Hi, I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product that was just released at the end of 2017 at SEMA. They are now starting to ship those orders for those that have placed orders with UPDOWNAIR. This is going to be a quick review of the product, as well as I'll have another video that will actually do the installation. So what you see before you is kind of an air up system to where once you have it installed on your vehicle, just this little black bag here to my left is all you'll need. So you can forget about the air down tools that you may have, the tire pressure gauges, the old gauges that you can get from a lot of different shows, and also maybe you've seen these as well. These are TerraFlex air down tools as well. But you can scrap all of that, and all you'll do is carry this little black bag, and that's all you'll need to either air up your tires or air down your tires, just with the flip of the switch right here. So this is a really cool product. Again, you'll just use these hoses that are included here in the bag, hook them up to all your tires. You flip the switch and you set the dial on what you want, either want it up or down, using this regulator switch right here. And you just sit there and wait for it to do its thing. So this one that I'll be looking at today is designed for the ARB system. They also have one designed for the VIAIR system, so if you're on either one of those, this is just an add-on product that you can get a little bit more use out of that onboard system. If you don't have it, they also sell a full system, whether it be a VIAIR or an ARB twin compressor. Go ahead and go out to UPDOWNAIR.com, and they will have all the information for you. They have documentation on the installation guide, which also comes in the product as well. So take a look at the system when you get a chance. So real quick, I'm going to go through what is included in here with the product. So this is actually very heavy, but this is designed for those that are running an ARB system with an S pod. Right here is the actual air down system. You have your regular switch that's pushed down to lock, and you adjust what you want to do by your PSI, and then you just flip the switch right here, and that's what starts it on and off after you've charged up your air compressor. For those that may not have an onboard system, they also have a Schrader valve right here that you can just plug in with a chuck and air it up that way as well. What you're going to do here you're going to add these to each one of the hoses with the installation guide included, and once these are on, you're going to actually hook these into your Jeep and then one more onto the tire. And all you'll have to do is carry what's in this little black bag. This little black bag has these little lines that you're going to attach to each one of the tires, and of course you'll only do that for airing up and airing down, and then you'll remove those for when you hit the trails. But again, it's so nice. You got a nice little bag right here. You got everything you need. Just leave that in your vehicle, and that's all you have to carry with you. All right, take number 12. Take number 13.